All right, 7th graders, this is to help you with question 2 on CR 12. It says 1/3 times the quantity 2x minus 5y for x equals 7 and y equals -2. They want us to simplify this. I must have cut off a word. They want us to simplify this. All right, so we're going to take 1/3 and then within parentheses we have 2x minus 5y. It's important to remember if you see 2x, that means 2 times x. And 5y means 5 times y. 2x means 2 times x. That's just an important little fact. Okay? And 5y means 5 times y. All right. All right, let's take a look. So I'm going to simplify this once I substitute x is 7 and y is -2. So I have 1/3 and then within parentheses 2 times, in place of x I'm going to put a 7. So instead of x I'll write in a 7 minus, and then I have 5 times, what do I put in place of y? In place of y I put a -2. Now I'm going to go ahead and simplify this. I'm going to follow my order of operations. I'm going to do parentheses, then I'll do exponents if there are any, then I'll do multiply or divide, and that's always left to right, and then finally we'll add or subtract left to right. All right, so these are our order of operations. You work within parentheses first. You get to a single value inside the parentheses. Next, you handle any exponents. Then you multiply or divide left to right, and then you add or subtract left to right. You always use your order of operations when simplifying expressions. So I'm going to go ahead and work within parentheses. I keep my 1/3 on the outside. Within parentheses, 2 times 7 is 14. Minus, I'm just going to drag down that minus sign for now, 5 times -2 is -10. Positive times a negative is a negative. You could have done that in one step and made this a plus, but I decided to take 2 steps. 1/3, and then we have to know minus a negative becomes plus. So then we have 14 plus 10 within parentheses. Well, what's 14 plus 10? That's 24. So this is 1/3 of 24. And if you see no operation between the 1/3 and the parentheses, you know that you can assume that's multiplication. So 24 is the same as 24 over 1. You multiply straight across the top, straight across the bottom, you'll get 24 over 3. That means 24 divided by 3. 24 divided by 3 is 8. 8 goes into 24 3 times. All right, I hope that helps. Those are your order of operations. And we always use that when we simplify expressions. So that's important. You always use your order of operations when you're simplifying expressions. So that's why I did that. All right, I hope that helps.